Hello and welcome to Learning Rust Programming Series. My name is Ashish and today we are going to learn how to create module in Rust. So in Rust, modules are a way to organize code and manage the visibility and scope of various items such as functions, structs, enums, and threads. Modules help you to structure your code, break into smaller or more manageable parts, and avoid naming conflicts. They also play a crucial role in controlling the privacy of items, determining which parts of your code are accessible from other modules or external crates. This provides a powerful module system that can be used to hierarchically split code into logical units, and we can manage visibility, public, private between them. Let's start with the coding, how to create a module. So you have to use simple keyword mod, my module, and here I can define my module as so whatever methods I need to expose, those methods should be public. You have to use pub keyword, that is public. And so let's say I have my function method, and here I'm going to have print ln statement, my module, my function called. That's it. So in order to use this module, what I'm going to do is use my module dot my function. All right. So this is how I can use this module. I can have modular hierarchy. So let's say if I have this is outer module, then I can create inner module also. And here, what I need to do is so I need to make this module, inner module as public, and then I can access that module from outside. So this is how you can provide. So by default, the access modifier is private. Hence, I won't be able to access inner module. I have to make it public. So this is how module hierarchy works. If I think that this module name is somewhat very clumsy and very big, I can use keyword. So instead of using, what I can do is simply I can use as keyword and use different name that I like, shorter version, and I can directly use that name here. Okay, so use keyword, then whatever module name I want to replace with as keyword and the new name, and I can directly use new name and I can refer that name from here on in my program. So let's look at the file system and modular structure. So if you are coming from Python, then this module system is very same. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create new directory in my src folder. Here I'm going to make my module, and inside that I'm going to create new file as, you can name anything you like, mod.rs. And here what I'm going to do is I'm going to have my function. So now what I'm going to do is, in order to use, I have to declare here as my module, and then what I can do is, so you can see here hierarchy. I have this mod rs created inside this my module directory, and I'm going to use this mod keyword in my in main.rs, where I'm supposed to use this module. I'm going to use mod space my module, and then I can use this my module in my function, something like that. And again, if I want to use shorter version, then I can do the same thing again like this. All right. Yeah. So it's very easy. So file system and module structure are closely related. By default, the structure of the file system mirrors the module hierarchy, and contents of a file are treated as a contents of a module. So if I mean, it's pretty visible here, but let me do one thing. So here you can see src directory. If I go to src directory and do ls, you can see my module and my main.rs. And if I go to my module, then you can see mod.rs. All right. So this is how my code hierarchy looks like. So here also it is visible that main.rs and my module directory is there, and inside that I have mod.rs. So this is the very simple way to create your own module in your Rust project. Then we have already mentioned about public and private. By default, private functions, whenever you declare any function in your module, so if I declare, so here if this function is by default private, and it will complain that this function is no more accessible because it's private. We already talked about it. So whatever method you want to make accessible, you have to make them private. And yeah, so this was about the module. So these are fundamental aspects of module in Rust. They provide powerful way to structure code, manage visibility, and create hierarchy of related functionality in your Rust projects. Thanks for watching my video. That's it from this video. Thank you.